So, good morning, guys. A warm welcome to this first presentation of Python. I am glad to have you with me on this journey through the realm of Python. Since we'll be starting from scratch, there is no need to worry if you have no prior experience with Python or coding in general. So, without further ado, let's get started by learning what Python is. So, what is Python? Actually, I am only reading first two slides. Don't worry, I'll get into detail one by one in the next slides. Initially, this is to create just awareness what is Python. So, Python is an all purpose general language that works on multiple platforms. It can work on Linux, it can work on Unix, it can work on Windows also. It is a high level language. It is open source and freeware. It is an interpreted, interactive, object oriented programming language. It is simple, elegant, consistent, and math like programming language. Python code has been described as readable pseudocode. So, why is Python very popular? Because it is a language with a clean syntax and an extensive library. See, what we have read in our previous slide, it is a simple, elegant, consistent, and math like programming language. That is why it is very popular. And Python uses the programming language in a number of applications. It can be applied very easily, it can be applied very strongly, and it can be applied very efficiently. Hmm? Now, the nature of language. Python is developed in 1990 because of its general purpose. It is most popular language in modern times. So, what is the term general purpose? General purpose simply means that Python can be used for a variety of applications and does not focus on any one aspect of programming. Okay. The second thing is it is a high level language. Python falls under the category of high level interpreted languages. A high level language is one which cannot be understood directly by our machine. Machine means computer, internal processor of the machine. There is a certain degree of abstraction in its syntax. Machines are generally designed to read machine code, means bit code. We can write code from 0 and 1. But high level syntax cannot be directly converted to machine code. These are not bytecode. Yes, as a result, it must first be converted to bytecode, which is then converted to machine code before the program can be executed. Python is an interpreted language because during execution, each time each line is interpreted to the machine language on the go. However, if you take the example of C++, the code needs to be compiled into an executable first, yeah, and then it can be executed. In Python, we can skip this compilation step and directly run the code. Python does it for us behind the scenes, right? Next is readability. One of the biggest reason for Python's rapid growth is the simplicity of its syntax. Simplicity of its syntax. Clean syntax we have read in previous slide. The language reads almost like plain English, right? Make it easy to write complex programs. Since it doesn't have much of learning curves, Python is it is a very good entry point into the world of programming for beginners. Okay, the next is applications. Apart from the ease of learning, Python is a very efficient language which is used to almost every sphere of modern computing. This makes a strong case for learning Python even for non-programmers. Some of the Python's main applications, you can search it on internet and tell me what are the main applications of this Python. Write in comment, guys. It is an exercise. You need to search the main applications of Python over internet and write in comment box. Okay. Now writing our first code. By now we have learned what kind of language Python is. Okay. Now we are moving on the print statement. Print statement. Actually, whenever we learn a new language, it is an age-old tradition to start by displaying the text "Hello World" on the screen for the remainder of this course. So let's go. Huh? Every language has a different syntax for displaying or printing something on the screen. Since Python is one of the most readable language out there, we can print data on the terminal, on the monitor, on the screen by simply using the print statement. Here is what the statement look like. You can see here it is print under parentheses, under double quotes. There is a word, there are two words, hello and world. Fine. So whenever we need to print is encapsulated in the parentheses following the print keyword. So how we will write hello world in Python? We type print in small letters, we put parentheses, and in under double quotes whatever we write that will be printed on the monitor screen. So in this case, hello world will be printed on the monitor, on the screen, on the terminal, whatever is there. So I repeat it, the text hello world is bounded by quotation, double quotes, because it is a string, it is a text, it is a group of characters, right? So to write a text we put quotation marks. Now if you write to print few numbers, numbers will be categorized as integer, big integers, floats, decimal points. So how will we write numbers on our terminal? See, if we write 50 without quotation marks within parentheses with print statement, it will be printed 50. See in output box. Now if you want to print 1000, the same code will be written under parentheses with print statement. And if you write to print 3.142, again the same code will be written, print parentheses, and under parentheses it will be 3.142. Output is shown in the box, blue box. Fine. Now we move to next slide. Actually by default what has happened, if we write multiple print statement, the output will be in multiple lines. See, if I write print 50, print 1000, print 3.142 and execute all these three statements simultaneously, the output will be 50, in next line 1000 and in next line 3.142. But if you want to print multiple pieces of data in one line, so we can write print 50, 1000, 3.142, under quotation marks hello world. So what will be the output? It is 50, no comma, space 1000, space 3.142 and space hello world. So we can write a single line like this, or we can also create a single line output by using and is equals to a single space in double quotation. See, what am I doing? I have written print under parentheses hello in double quotation, then comma, then and is equals to a single space in double quotation, and next line I have written print parentheses double quotation and the text is world. See, what will be the output? Hello world in a single line. Fine. Now I have given one exercise to you before, that you will search applications of Python over internet. Now I am giving you two more exercises. Just write what is print in Python. Write a code which print your name in Python. Okay. Thank you guys.